Hey guys, we're going to do a garage. I'm well cool, look at me. I've got a MK4 Golf. Wish I had a vape right now. But yeah, today I'm doing some shit to this, and Rich is doing some shit to that. Fucking nice one. Right, so in this episode, yeah, I am fitting an exhaust on the Golf. We're going to be fucking rapid. Not just do I need the exhaust to loud, should I say, yeah? I also need it because it's blowing like fuck out the front and it's just an excuse to take the whole system off right now. Because it literally gassed us out. Me and Lauren nearly passed away in this thing the other day with the AC on. Well, AC, yeah, you know what I mean? So, good. Let's get right into it.
So, all I'm doing today is, we know the C1, we put the spoiler on it not too long ago, but we've got a few more parts that have been sprayed and they are ready to go on. So bring them over here and show you what we've got. Oh, these are lovely. Lauren's waiting for these for ages. 4 lovely rims. They're not going on the car today, but they are out here drying and ready. But these are the things that are going on the car today. So we've got all the badges for the front and the back, and we are putting the wing mirror covers on today. So yeah, just getting all the glue off first.
Right, there's one exhaust blow. There's another exhaust blow.
Them blocks are safer than that jack, I'll tell you.
Mum, no cap. Alright, so I'm pretty successful at getting it off at the moment. But I've managed to do one thing that you might not be able to hear right now. Why does this sound sick? It's basically got a fucked catalytic converter, yeah, and a fucking resonator, and the back box is now disconnected. But still, the catalytic converter, yeah, is so fucked that when I took the back box off, this was with it. So we still got to sort it out at some point. But the problem is, it's a solid unit, the catalytic converter. I'm basically just going to cut it out and put a high flow one in. Might make a full exhaust. I've got a welder now, by the way, guys, as well. So shit's going to be going good. Wish I could have this on there right now, but I need a link pipe. So unfortunately, it's not on there right now. But I think do we need one more riff for good luck, babe?
Okay.
We do, don't we?
While you're watching Brad do the last little bits in the front of this, yeah, just take the time to go over to Locksy GamingHD on YouTube and subscribe. Thanks very much. It's spelt with a Y, not 2 I's. I forgot I put my t-shirt through.
He fucking loves it.
Popping rice at me, boy.
So me and Rich, we've decided quick, we're going to take everything one step further.
I fucking need this.
Fucking resonator. Who the fuck needs one of them?
Piece of shit that was only on.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
That's what you want.
Right, there you go. It's gone. Yeet.
Giveaway. So, we're going for it. Let's see what it sounds like. That's better. It backfires.
One more time and then we'll cut it out, yeah. Right.
Wait, give it a nice one and I'll have a look underneath. Yep. And as for the Citroen, it's got badges.
Front badges.
Right, these are taped on for a minute just as they're drying because they're glued on.
Yeah.
But it's got the badges on the front, it's got the fucking mirror covers. Just now have to do the badges on the rear. Which
just cleaned off most.
Yeah.
I've got so much oil in it, right? So
yeah.
just cleaned up most of it, and then they're going to go up. We've got to get this open and then help to sort it down. Yeah, I'm covered in this shite.
Is it?
Yeah. Where's my ad now? Box,
So we're getting the back box off.
this horse is pissing itself. Wait.
Racking out the old US Pro lever bars. Just why? Why? Show them the holes on the top as well. What the fuck? This exhaust is clapped. Wait, is that full of catalytic converter as well? Yep. More catalytic converter for you guys. Got a bare of it in the boot.
Thank you now.
That's what you want. If your catalytic converter's coming out, it means you've got a high performance car.
Yeah.
So everyone's gone home now basically. Well, Lauren's and mine. Here she is. And she's still loud as fuck. Hasn't got a new exhaust yet. This is just basically a what's going on today video. But I have done a few things. The inside is now completely cleaned up. So that's what I mean, it needs a good hoover still. That box is my homemade dehumidifier. But yeah. Cleaned up the boot as well. Because ignore the microwave and keyboard. That needs to go to Richard just here right now because he's collecting them today. And it's easier to leave him here than leave him in the house because he parks the car behind this. But anyway, yeah, well, his mate does. Fucking hell. Anyway, all the shit needs to go indoors. Rubbish bag, all the rags in one thing there. And that's it. Badges are looking mint on the C1 completely. So the mirror covers, just ignore the fact that the tape's on there holding them on still. The rear badges we couldn't get on, quite simply because it was too difficult for us. Like, it needs to be perfect and we couldn't make it perfect. So we thought we may as well clean everything off, clean all the glue off now and do it properly, you know? So yeah, sweet as fuck. Just hoovered the car out. Fucking first time since owning it. Nice and clean everywhere for once.
Smells.
No fucking dust in there, floating about everywhere. So that's it for this video, guys. Give it a like, comment, subscribe. I'm really sorry. It's been about 3 weeks since I actually recorded all those clips. But I'm here now with the car, and she finally has an exhaust. But that I'll show you in the light next time. Peace, guys.